Okay, so we have these TirePatrol tire pressure sensors, and they are sealed. You can't unscrew them. And you can send it in for $16 and they'll send you another one. But all we got to do is open it up and change out the battery. So these guys are glued in, I believe. So I'm just going to take the heat gun here. We have it on half power for heat, but I'm going to turn it on the second switch for high volume. We don't want to cook it or melt it. We just want to get that glue a little bit loosened up. So we'll heat it up for a while, turn it, heat it up, turn it, heat it up. And when we get it good and hot but not melted, we'll see if we can't twist that top off. Alright, so it pulled apart. And this one you can see, which is the nozzle side, is actually just a hole. It goes straight through and then it seals on that sensor. Now we have to get this piece out of here to find a battery. Okay, so here we have the cap, and then we have the unit here. Focus in on it. And then on the top you can see we probably have this little ring, which may be pressure or movement sensor to keep it alive, and then the battery should just slide out of there. Of course it doesn't. It's got three small solder points, so I'll have to pry that up. Alright, and we had the 3 points on the top, and then we also have 3 points on the bottom. So let's see if we can't take that off. Alright, so here we have it off. We have the top and bottom leads. And then this orange piece just goes on top of the battery like we saw earlier. We have, it's just a 2032 battery. This one has a Panasonic in it. If I was going to do it again, I'd probably see if I can't just cut the top off, maybe. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see if this will actually continue to work, because we're going to have it sealed enough where this goes in there. But now we know why they cost $16. You guys let me know what you think. And I'll update this when I get the battery back in and able to test to see if it still works. And if it does, I'll try another one and see if we can't do it a little bit differently. Take care.